The Indian Institute of Computer Education today. We introduce about advanced Excel topics, conditional formatting, pivot tables and pivot charts, advanced charts, data validation, advanced formulas and functions, logical functions, if, and, or not for conditional logic, IFS for multi-condition evaluations, lookup and reference functions, lookup and HLOOKUP for searching data, index match for dynamic lookups, text functions, date and time functions, math and statistical functions, SUMIFS, COUNTIFs, AVERAGEIFs for conditional calculations, round, round up, round down for precision, rank, percentile, quartile for rankings and distributions, error, handling IFERROR for managing errors in calculations, automation with macros and VBA data cleaning and transformation, text to columns, find and replace, advanced data management, data consolidation, scenario, analysis, what-if analysis tools, database functions, advanced features, power tools in Excel, tips and tricks, keyboard shortcuts, custom templates, dynamic, named ranges, advanced sorting and filtering with practical applications, build financial models with sensitivity analysis, create interactive dashboards for decision-making, develop inventory tracking systems and sales analysis reports, perform budget forecasting and variance analysis. For more information, contact us on below numbers 9625584-071 and 9220758021.